What do you think? Thick ice cream. No, I'm gonna say that. No worry, I was waiting for us. Yeah, hello viewers, I'm Daddy Friend, Father Michael Obudu, a Catholic priest who is so passionate about family. Kimara, please come. Today, we are taking out this time to feed the body that walks the morning. We are going to take care of the body that feeds the nation. And we are not always in the bush. There are times we come out to enjoy ourselves. And today, in a 20s eatery. Here in Sapele Delta State. 20s is actually in Sapele local government Delta State. Just along the new road Sapele opposite Total, you get 20s. Immediately you enter the new road, by the left you see 20s. It's a very beautiful place, facilities, whatever you care for. We have beautiful, all kinds of delicacies. You can see the workers and beautiful ladies here. You can see the facility. So I'm not just here to do our part, but it's a beautiful. The owner of this place is a very good friend of mine. I just want to take out this time to appreciate all our work and good things for us. And I'm here to enjoy myself. So for my followers who follow me on my TikTok, on my YouTube, on my Facebook, on my Instagram, whenever you're coming to visit me here in Sapele, I must bring you here to 20s. It's a place to be. It's a wonderful place. You can see the facility. So we are not just, we farmers, we are not just always in the bush. Sometimes we come out to take care of ourselves. And I'm here in 20s. A beautiful place. I'm not living here till about 2 hours. So they are going to take care of me here with all kinds of delicacies. So thank you very much today for finding that time to be with me. I'm going to take, what do you have for? You can see wine. So I'm going to, let me place order. How do you sell your bed? How do you sell your bed? 3,000. So probably getting the best. Let me enjoy myself. I like cream wine. So I'm going to take the cream wine before my main meal because I'm here to take my lunch. So here you can just view the beautiful facilities here. It's wonderful. Being here alone is belly full. So being here is belly full. I just enjoy the environment. So you can get me my best. I love cream wine best, and thereafter you get me my Chinese rice. So all of these I'm going to enjoy today. Yeah. So my follower, I just want to take out this time to tell you that we also take care of us. No, you can bring it there. You can put it there. You can see the worker. Beautiful place. Thank you very much. Wow.
Thank you, Father.
No problem. Thank you very much. So, Imam, please come over so that my followers can say I enjoy cream wine with my best friend. So I'm going to take just the little liter.
You're running one, finish it.
I just came back from my farm. I show us today. I went for cassava planting and how to plant cassava, the best form of planting cassava. So today, after which I went to relax. I just came out to take my lunch, but I love this a lot. So thereafter. So thank you very much for this time. I remain that friend, Father Michael Obudu, a Catholic priest who is so passionate about family. Thank you and God bless.